So this is the variable addition. So here is x and this is x by 3. So this will give us x plus x by 3. Now here what we do, we multiply this x with this bottom x, which becomes 3 of x plus x, and common denominator 3 gives us 4x by 3. For example, it is given to me that 4x by 3 is equal to 180 degree. And what I'll do, I'll take this 3 here and take denominator 4. So x becomes my 180 into 3 by 4, that is 4 1 by 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 13 14 15, so that 12 4 4 is 16 I can write, then 4 5 is 20, gives me 70.